How to buy more generative credits in Photoshop. Please leave a like and consider subscribing if this helps. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the home button to the top left of Photoshop, and then we're going to click on our profile to the top right, and from here we can see how many generative credits we have left as well as the reset date. Now, if you don't want to wait until the next reset date, we can buy more credits, and you can do that by clicking on buy. And when this loads, we can see how many credits we can buy for the price. We can subscribe to 7,000 extra credits a month for £28.99, 50,000 credits for £200, and 2,000 credits for £10. Cancel anytime, no fee. Alternatively, you can also subscribe to a different Creative Cloud plan in the future. For example, if you have Creative Cloud Pro, you get 4,000 credits a month for premium generations. But if you have, for example, the photography 1 terabyte package, you only get 1,000. And if you have Creative Cloud Standard, you only get 25 credits a month. So changing plan is also something else to consider for the future.